This video, we're going to go over how to use the difference tool. And remember, this is the eraser tool. We have a data layer. We have an erase layer. The outputs are the data layer with the erase layer removed from it. So let's go over to QGIS. Remember, we have our updated study area here. But we still have some features we'd like to get rid of here before we sort of finalize this as our study area for the midterm. I want to get rid of this island. I want to get rid of sort of the dangling coastline up here. And then I also, what I'd like to do is I'd like to get rid of all the area on the north side of this river here and on sort of the west side of the lake. So I want to sort of hug this to the shoreline. Fortunately, I've come in already and created this little file here. So the areas in red here are my erase features. I want to come in and erase anything from my study area 2 that falls underneath these features. So you can see it kind of hugs that coastline along the river here, along the lake over here, and it also encompasses this island that we want to clip out of our, or I should say erase out of our map here. So let's go up to Vector, Geoprocessing Tools, and let's go down to Difference. Our input layer is study area 2. Our over layer, or our eraser, is the Lake Island eraser. I'm going to save this to file. I'll study area 3, and we'll click run. This one usually goes pretty fast. All right, now I'm going to turn off these other bits and pieces. We can see we've got that sort of final study area that I wanted here. Hugging the shoreline here, hugging the shoreline all around. I've turned my rough study area on. This is what we started with. We clipped it down to the Alaska shoreline in these areas, and then we use this Lake Island eraser to scrub out those areas from here and across this coastline that we did not want to have. So clip reduces the size of our input. Eraser stamps out features that we do not want to have on our final output. Hopefully that's useful, and you'll all be getting very familiar with this shapefile in the week to come. All right, we'll talk soon.